How to cash out from your SHEIN wallet. Now this process is going to be the same if you're going to be using your mobile device via the SHEIN application or even from the laptop or PC. It's all the same. So first things first is go directly to shein.com's official site and ensure that you are already logged into your account. And here what you want to do next is just hover your mouse to this personal icon right here and then click on that. Now you will be redirected to your personal center, which you can have access to your account, to your assets, orders, and so on and so forth. Now under my assets, just simply head over to my wallet. So as you can see, there is going to be three options here: the total amount, the unavailable SHEIN credit, and available withdraw SHEIN credit. Now what you can do for you to be able to cash out or to withdraw the specific balance that you have on your SHEIN wallet is just by simply clicking on the withdrawal option. Now there is no withdraw option that is going to be visible if you don't have any balance on your SHEIN wallet. Click on withdraw and then just simply choose on your preferred payment or withdrawal method for you to be able to take all the balance that you have from here. And that's it. That is how you withdraw your balance from your SHEIN wallet.